Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have a recipe that helps you to bake a super soft and spongy and a gorgeous red velvet cake. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel, and for the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I'll add a little amount of vinegar to lukewarm milk. Give it a mix and allow it to stand for a few minutes. Then in a mixing bowl, I'll add soft butter. Then in goes sugar. I am using 1.5 cup of brown sugar. I'll mix the butter and sugar thoroughly. Then I'll add half a cup of cooking oil. Then with the help of an electric beater, I'll mix all these three ingredients thoroughly. Then I'll beat in the eggs one at a time. I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. To this, I'll add the buttermilk. Then I'll add the vanilla bean paste. And whisk all these ingredients thoroughly. For the dry ingredients, I'm using plain flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, and a little amount of baking soda. Sift all these ingredients. At this stage, I'll be adding a little amount of red food color. To make the cake super soft, at this stage, I'll add the baking powder, and to activate the baking powder, I'll add a little amount of vinegar. Mix it thoroughly and our cake batter is ready. I've kept a 9-inch spring pan ready with a baking sheet which I've greased it. I'll pour the batter. And it is ready to go in the oven that I have already preheated. Before that, I'll just swivel in one skewer and tap it to get rid of air bubbles. I'll bake this cake for 30 to 35 minutes and check whether the cake is baked thoroughly using a toothpick. The toothpick comes out clean. The cake is baked. I will take it out from the spring pan and put it on the cooling rack for at least 1 hour. The cake is super soft and cooled. The cake has been baked thoroughly. It is so bouncy and super soft. Now, before I frost the cake, I'll trim out the top and cut it from the center. Then for the frosting, I'll start whipping the cream. I'll take the whipping cream in a chilled bowl and beat it till I get soft peaks. Then I'll add a little amount of icing sugar and beat the cream till I get stiff peaks. Then in another bowl, I'll be mixing icing sugar to cream cheese with a little amount of vanilla bean paste and cream it thoroughly. Then to this cream cheese mixture, I'll be adding the whipped cream and our frosting is ready to go in the piping bag. And then I'll start frosting the cake. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates.